a relationship, I know people's hearts get involved, but if you ever get to the point where you think someone is cheating on you, you can't get violent with them. You don't put your hands on them because then now you have a criminal case. 2024 CR 011569 State versus Bibi Moran Mendez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jerry Kagan on behalf of the defendant.
And are you Miss Mendez?
Yes.
And we have an interpreter here. Could you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Carmen Tarragona Sáez.
All right, counsel, were you able to communicate with your client in Spanish?
Through the interpreter, yes, Judge.
Miss Bibby, all of the documents that I'm going to review today are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Beebe, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We'll waive it.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Mendez, did you review the court admonishments and admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand that in count 1 and count 2, you're charged with the offense of assault of a peace officer as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
No contest.
No, my question is, did you intend to give up those rights that you have? The right to a jury trial, the right to remain silent, the right to cross-examine witnesses. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
All right, off the record. So the plea bargain page, you all didn't add the counts in there? That you're proceeding on both counts? It's not in the plea bargain agreement. And if you all are intending those counts to run concurrently, put that in there. Ms. Mendez, did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes to both.
Ms. Mendez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Counsel, were you able to confer with your client in regards to the immigration consequences of entering into a plea in this case?
I have Judge, and she's informed me she has an immigration attorney.
Ms. Mendez, were you able to confer with your immigration attorney about this plea bargain agreement?
Yes,
Were you able to confer with your immigration attorney about the impact this plea will have on your status?
yes,
Do you understand that you could be deported from the United States
yes,
and that you could be denied naturalization and that you could be denied reentry?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea bargain agreement, state is proceeding on counts 1 and 2. The counts are to run concurrently. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
Ms. Mendez, do you understand that to be your plea?
yes,
State,
Yes, Your Honor.
did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
yes,
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes,
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
None.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
yes,
Then to count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest,
To count 2, how do you plead?
no contest.
State any evidence.
And Your Honor, I reviewed those documents through the interpreter with my client. We have no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. So the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each count. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. I have a question. In the police reports, her first name is spelled Bibi, but on these documents, it's spelled Biby. What is the correct spelling?
That's a question I couldn't answer, Judge. I assumed it was BIBI.
All right. How do you spell your first name?
BIBI.
All right. So then it's incorrect spelling in the indictment as well as all of the legal documents. Do you stipulate that you are the same person that's listed in the indictment with the first spelling of your name as Bidy?
No, I'm in the process of asylum.
All right. Do you have any children? And what are their ages?
12, 10, and 6.
And the person that you were hitting in the police reports, are you still with that person or no?
No,
Okay, and what is that person's name?
José
Jose,
Amarriba. José Amarriba.
Jose Amarriba,
Amarriba.
Amarriba.
How do you spell that?
¿Cómo se dice?
Amarriba. A-N-A-R-I.
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 Anari.
Va.
Va. B-A. Bea.
Sí, me-
B-A.
Okay, I was like, that sounds like more syllables than I'm receiving. All right, this is what the court is gonna do. Count one and count two will run concurrently. There's a $2,000 fine that will be probated. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. You're only allowed to be in the United States legally. Do you understand? So
Yes,
if things don't work out, or if they deny your asylum, then as a condition of your probation, you're not allowed to be here. Do you understand?
sí.
yes.
Okay. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 4 years deferred adjudication, 200 hours community service restitution. I'm going to require parenting. Once she completes the parenting classes, 100 of the hours will be deemed satisfied. The other 100 hours will be deemed satisfied with the requirement of anger management completion. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else?
You no contact order with that individual judge.
Yes, thank you. No contact with Jose Anariba. All right, I did okay. All right, is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because I waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes,
All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you're in a relationship, I know people's hearts get involved, but if you ever get to the point where you think someone is cheating on you, you can't get violent with them. You have 2 choices. You confront them, they'll either tell you the truth or not. Either you're going to accept it and move on, or you're not, but you don't put your hands on them, because then now you have a criminal case. All right.
yes, I understand.
Yeah, and usually they're not worth it. If they don't appreciate you to realize that you're the best, then send them on their way. All right, good luck to you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Donata. 23 CR 10986, State of Texas versus Leslie Myers. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Alexandria Roberts for the state.
Defense.
George Schaefer for defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Leslie Myers?
Yes, Your Honor.
And am I pronouncing your last name correctly?
Thank you.
Sure. Did you review, just one moment. All right. Did you review the documents entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Leslie Dawn Myers who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 10986 for the offense of assault family second offense on December 13th, 2023 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 24B on or about the 15th day of November 2024 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Leslie Dawn Myers, did then and there find herself in contact with Benjamin Guild and threatened, assaulted, or verbally abused said person in violation of condition number 24B.
To that, how do you plea? True or not true?
True, Your Honor. The state waives the remaining allegations, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of 24B, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with your plea of true to 24B?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find 24B true. All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. The proposed agreement is that she be sentenced to 2 years TDC.
All right. So has she done anything on probation other than threatening someone?
She said a bunch of negative UAs, Judge.
I finished my fifth class as well, and I did my 90 and 90, and I did about 3 or 4 meetings weekly. I was about to start my community service.
All right. And Benjamin
Guild.
Guild, is he the complainant in this case?
He is, Your Honor. And he's present in the courtroom.
All right. Does anybody want to call him as a witness? Because I don't think that, okay. I don't think that 2 years is appropriate in this case. And let me explain to everybody why. It's because she's on probation for assault against the complainant. And then 24B is, I don't know, assaultive language or threats against the same complainant. So I don't understand why it should follow the agreement. That's what I'm asking.
Judge, I'll call him as a witness.
All right. Mr. Gill, if you can come forward, please.
Ms. Myers.
Right, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Benjamin Holmes Guild.
All right, defense.
And you are the same person who was the complainant in the original case that she was put on probation for?
Yes.
And you are the same person who has alleged that on November the 15th of 2024, she committed another assault against you, correct? Now, at the time, were y'all drinking alcohol? She's not supposed to consume alcohol. You're aware of that, correct? Same thing with you. You're not supposed to consume alcohol. And that's because you're on a probation yourself. And what was the nature and extent of this argument? What happened?
I'm not sure of the details, to be honest.
Uh, You were arguing with her.
It's probably mutual.
She was arguing with you.
No, it was probably more me than.
You understand that the state is recommending a sentence of 2 years. Are you amenable to that, or would you accept that?
Define amenable.
Well, are you happier than the court saying, no, I'm not going to accept that offer and sentence her up to 10 years?
I would rather that not happen. I would rather she get less than 2 years.
How long have you and she been together?
On and off for. She's been down here for 8 years. We've been acquaintances for 20 years, 20 plus years, 25 years.
And I'll pass the witness.
All right, any questions?
I have no questions.
All right, thank you. All right. This is, if there's nothing else from either side, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding
24B.
24B true. The court will grant the motion. The court will find you guilty, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Benjamin Gill. I'll request the therapeutic community for you, and the court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is not a plea bargain agreement. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? All right. Because this is a felony conviction and also an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.